Hello people, in this lesson we are going to learn a very important concept which is add rank. Add rank is a product of maximum bid and quality score. So maximum bid is the amount you're willing to pay per click for a particular keyword. So bid is an attribute of keyword. Also, quality score is something that tells Google about how effective the keyword is. So quality score again is an attribute of keyword. So if you multiply the two, you get ad rank. The highest ad rank gets the highest position. So as a marketer, it is very important for me to improve my ad rank or to achieve the highest ad rank, because higher the ad rank, higher will be the position of my ad, and higher the position of my ad, higher number of clicks it will get. So my objective over here would be to increase my ad rank. So how do we increase the ad rank? As you can see, ad rank is a product of bid and quality score. Ad rank is calculated and decided during the real-time bidding process, which is also called as ad auction. As you can see in this equation, ad rank is equal to bid multiplied by quality score of the keyword. As an example, consider a random number, a very random number like 6. If you want to achieve an ad rank of 6, which scenario will you prefer as an advertiser? Having your bid as 3 and quality score as 2, or having your bid as 2 and quality score as 3? Definitely the case where the quality score is 3, as if the quality score is 3, then your bid value is 2, which is lower. But if the quality score drops to 2, then the bid has to be 3, which is higher. So as a business, I would want better results at a lower cost, lower bid. Hence my objective should always be to improve my quality score, because quality score will lead to a better ad rank. Higher quality score will lead to a higher ad rank. It is quite evident that the quality score goes up, the maximum bid you set for a keyword goes down, thus increasing the overall cost of the ad. And when the quality score drops, your ad becomes more and more expensive. So as an advertiser, our main goal while running Google Ads should be to achieve a higher quality score. Now the big question arises: how do we get a higher quality score? So let us look at how we improve the quality score. Quality score is a factor of three main components. The first factor is the click-through rate, which is also called as the CTR. The second factor is the ad relevance. The ad should be relevant to the keywords you are targeting and keywords of a particular ad group. The third factor is the landing page experience. So the landing page has to be equally important. It should have a very low load time. It should open faster. It should have content. It should have keywords, and the landing page should be relevant to the ad that you are showing. So these are the three main factors of quality score. Out of these three factors, CTR or the click-through rate holds the highest weightage. Now, quality score is an attribute of a keyword, not a campaign, not an ad group, but quality score is an attribute of a keyword. And quality score ranges from 1 to 10, with 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest. And the default quality score is 6. So it all boils down to how you create ad groups, how do you structure them. Because when you create ad groups based on theme of keywords, only then you can show relevant ads to people. So whatever the user is searching for that search query, you can show him relevant ads. But when? Only when you've created ad groups based on theme of keywords. And when you do this, when you show relevant ads to people, what happens? People find the ad relevant to what they're searching for. They ultimately click on the ad, right? When they click on the ad, it will improve your CTR. It will improve the CTR, right? And as we have just seen, when CTR goes up, the quality score will definitely go up, because 2 out of 3 factors are going up: relevant ads and CTR. These are the two factors of quality score. So when CTR and ad relevance goes up, your quality score will also go up. And when your quality score goes up, you tend to get a higher ad rank. And when you get a higher ad rank, you will get a better position or even the same position but at a lower Cost.